So how we will find the integrating factor? So let's look at these ratios. Okay, we say that we will check 1 over n. So we will check these ratios. 1 over n and with this one 1 over m formula. So we will check this one. So let's write 1 over n del m over del y. I just look at its different their difference. Since I start with n, I will continue with m. So what is n? 1 over 3 plus 3x minus y times 1 over m 1 minus 3. But you see here we don't get, so this doesn't depend only on y. So this does not, so it should depend only on x, right? Only on x, so does not depend only on x. So I will check the other one. Let's look at this time this one, 1 over m. So I start with 1 over m, so I will continue with n minus del m over del y. So what is m? It is 1 over y and 3 minus 1. So it is 2 over y and it should depend. So I start with n. So this depends. I should check this depend on y, only on y. So yes, it is 2 over y. So depends only on y. Then we know that this mu e to the power 2 over y is an integrating factor. So then, so we have mu e to the power integral 2 over y dy is an integrating factor. Then what is it? It is e to the 2 ln y. So okay, we have plus c here, but we take c 0. C is equal to 0. Because I mean we want to make mu simple as possible, so as simple as possible, and we can assume y is greater than 0. So we can make these assumptions. So we have 2 ln y, but we know that we can write ln y square, and e and ln will cancel each other, so we will get y square. Okay, recall, I use this formula whenever you have ln x. We can take upstairs, right? ln x to the power a. So we have such a formula. Okay, then mu is equal to y square is an integrating factor. Okay, and in part C, so this was the end of part B. Part C says that solve the equation. So let's solve. So how we solve the equation? We just multiply the equation, given equation. First, multiply the given differential equation Okay, let me check the equation from my notes. So the equation given like this, x dx plus 3 plus 3x minus y dy is equal to 0. So this equation is given, and we find the integrating factor. Then what we are going to do is, first we multiply the given equation with the integrating factor. the one we find, mu is equal to y square. So we multiply everywhere, then what we get? So we multiply this with the integrating factor y square times y, we will get y cubed dx plus, so we multiply everything, 3y plus 3xy minus y square dy is equal to 0. So now the equation must be exact. So now the equation is exact. So let's check it. So we should have the coefficient of dx. Okay, now we have new m and n, so we will forget the old one. So we are starting a new problem. So del m over del y is equal to y cube. It is 3y square, right? The derivative. Is it equal to, it should be, I mean, this is del n over del x. Oh, we forgot to multiply with y square. Okay, I was having a heart attack here because you see this is not equal. So we forgot, we multiply with y here. Okay, sorry about that. So we should multiply with this y square, guys. So we make it, so 3y square times y cube. Great, now they are equal. So the derivative of n with respect to x is 3y square. Sorry about that, because if it is not equal, then it is not exact, right? Okay, instead of multiplying with y square, we multiplied n. I mean, we find n wrong, so, but now it is correct. Sorry about that. Great, now the equation is exact, and we will solve it. We know how to solve it. Then, by definition, there is a function f such that del f over del x is equal to m, so which is y cube, del f over del y is equal to n, so which is 3y square plus 3xy square minus y cube. So what we are going to do, we will choose one. So you know that, so now we have m dx plus n dy is equal to df is equal to 0 is exact. So how we solve it? So we know that when we take the integral, so f is equal to c is our solution, right? So we need to solve, we need to find f. So to solve the differential equation, we need to find f, because f is the solution. Okay, to find f, we choose one. So choose one and integrate. So let's choose first one. Choose this one and integrate to find f. Okay, let's integrate because it is easier to integrate, right? So it is y cube. But we integrate with respect to x because it is del f over del x, right? So it is f of xy is equal to y cube x plus some constant c. But we know that when we are taking derivative with respect to x, y is a constant. So constants are a function of y. Let's say h of y. And to find h of y, we will use the second one. So to find h of y, we will use this differential equation. We will use del f over del n. Oh, sorry, del f over del y is equal to n. Okay, now let's take the derivative of f with respect to y. So we know this is equal to n. So but let's take it from here. It is 3y square x plus h prime of y. So this must be equal to n, which is equal to 3y square plus 3xy square minus y cube. Now we can do some cancellations and find h prime of y as 3y square minus y cube. Okay, I will continue to the other page. So h prime of y, oops, I forget, 3y square minus y cube, 3y square minus y cube, and then we will just integrate. Then h of y is equal to 3y cube over 3 minus y to the power 4 plus, let's write c1. Then what is f of xy? Okay, I will copy it from here. Oh, it is here. Okay, and instead of h of y, we will write y cube minus y over 4 plus c1. Let's write this as c2. Then our c2 minus c1, let's write c. So y cube x plus y cube minus y to the power 4 is equal to c, is the solution of the given differential equation. Guys, so once you find the integrating factor, okay. So in my notes, I have y square x, so I don't know. Okay, let me check. I think we are doing correct, so I don't know. Okay, let me do, I mean, I will give you as an exercise, but let me start to differential equations. So let's write, we have 3xy minus y square dx plus x square plus xy dy is equal to 0. So part A, show that the equation is not exact. Part B, find the integrating factor. Factor mu that makes the equation exact. Okay, let me give the answer. You should find mu to be x. Right, so you should find mu here, and part C is solve. And okay, let me write the solution also. So you should find f of xy is equal to x cubed y plus x squared over 2 y squared is equal to c. So this is the solution. Okay, good luck. I think once you find the integrating factor correct, the rest is the same as how we solve exact differential equations.